Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
And now me can sembi ewa ha say baby a Ghana akwa akotoi. And she ya accidents here, we will not even think about omwa ye involved in the accident no. Ahunya de na ye be say ye kwa akofa. Assembly si ewa Volta region. Very very sad. Eye car sia efa sika carry sika Emma banks no. Your friend bullion vans no. Car no be na akwa enya accident ewo Volta region. Now accident no, the car crashed with a motor rider, and now me know say motor rider and your friend Raymond will be 28 be or your national service personnel we free mu ya assembly abekin esi wo hohoi vodoma road ne so a ewo Volta region and as assembly esi ye bullion van no maka ho assembly bebre obi nim bullion van na sakas na ya banks wo mode wo musika egum a transfer from one branch to the other no. Now inti occasionally ye nim say bullion van etua one cashier ewom, police officer ewom, and sana ebia an external security personnel so ewom, and sana driver no. Inti no bullion van no, these people were in. Now bullion van registration number no GN 714417. GN 714417. A Fidelity Bank. And na air transfers car from Ho to Hohoi branch. Inti no a normal business a na bank si womo eye. It is na womo transfer no over 7 billion. A 700,000 new Ghana cedis. A war a kan ni mo womo transfer. And a accident ekoko siye. Ne kreni driver no wo yese nanka won fa car no because senia eba besi ye no na esie we se nanka wo de car no bebo motorbike rider no. To wo yese nanka car no kra no nanka won fa mbon nti no wo move ye. Nti move no any impact no car no still ebo motorbike rider no mani wo ye. Ena bullion van no somersault ye. Bank for car no somersault ye emunimuni ya. Nti emunimuni ye no ena car no van ne baby aye di sika ne hye no boxes no bubu ye na afa sika no abobo epie ye ebetoto kwan ne so nti accident esi car bo motorbike ni wewu a wada ho car ne so asamaso police cashier driver etim car no emunimuni a eda ho wo mote car nim na sika APF can because can carries car. And guess what people did? Your guess is as good as mine. In Crawford Baha, Ebia Nanka Womoba Buan Nipa Daseni no Dabi, Womu Musika. Tiafi no more forgetting Nipano, and a Sikana no more sessa. A mobe frey, sounds so be frey. Just say, be more frey, cram or more frey, or more bush and funny or more family members say, hey, Sikao. Afi na microphone nya accident no womo mote bullion van nim no womo survive you but womo te kan nim ebre but sika ne yesesa tiefo kofu sisa sika ma until say authority say ba around it sika no over 5 billion and so it tells you say you the 7 billion ko na enya accident na ni aba begu abonten a over 5 billion and microphone to me say into the bank themselves no more money accident the police for bar they were able to only retrieve 2 billion 5 billion no in for the call and then we could can the nums pelede because accident is see ni pewu on fa ho sika no kwa sesa. For me, I have said this thing on this channel always. Accident see in this nature me mamoti as say that is it. Like, what shed the air course of Ghana now? Masa, ma car, said the air carry in Kuto, and who check to the extent that my car, air carry in Kuto, in Kunya accident, that was says, in Kuto, the microphone concourse. hwe obi atanka to minya accident ema eliki inkrofo the gallon say wo mo kwa che say people don't fear for their lives. Accident is sinti ebia ne pako no onye obi a naturally wo gbado kro no onye obi a wo ye kronfo but accident is si ohun the free Ghana for the ye free no na che say no ano no ye ti say bibi e da ho free won you so kra wo che say ne ninja ade ne ho kra the fact say ade ne ye free nti wo kwa akwaje okwa party na ensa wonum ensa ho onum ensa na bate se ensa ne ye free a wo de wo be ya wo de ensa ne bi be kofi no de be ko onum ensa ho na so wo ti se ye free ni nti udi agrokra wo be bie ensa na no de ahoro ne ensa ana wo be bie die gu fom keke. Why? Because what say ye free. It is very sad, very very sad. Omaya yetimuni, and it has gotten there. Se club car ever beer it to me konya accident e man krofo kosesa beer na then how much more car ekra edisika eko car na edisika ko no enya accident nkrofo na etimu no ebre obi nso ewu won nchen wose daabi sika na mehu ni kwa de nipa ko na wewu no mfa ne ho nkrofo mo te car ne mu a yebetumi akọ rescue omo no omo so omo form ho sikana na yebe sesa we ye baba be chiwa. And you see the police will invest. You see people who do things like this eya na wo mangasa wo anu na ndao because obviously you weren't from a far community na obey yes ade no obey intia na otumi ba ebe sesa aska no wa baba be sesa aska nso no area ni mu obi abete police for action investigation ase police for nya do area nim no mu bisa say wo ha na ekasa police for o de chill. And this thing, it is very simple for the police. It is very very simple for the police. They will not even have to go as police people. Omo de krona ade ni si wom no omo nko kroni mu keke. No mon dress as normal human beings. Wo better say kronfo nankra eka say accident si wa ha kwabnane wo ko success kan bio. Just say ye be chill. Because success kan no one ade we a wa kwakoye wa no nda wo ko fi na makwakonye ska accident na makwakonye ska na no enda Ghana na eti ma police ni no ma onhye police atare mo nko krum ho keke nko gina ho se woni nkrofo di nkomo wo bete wona sumkra se nkrofo oka mo nko tena bia ba ase mo nko tena cho ba ase wo bete se ye discuss ne yakase o Kwame kra kosisa asika ni bi police woni ye na mo che Kwame a Kwame nso be bo obi din inti ade a wo ye ahotre wo be ba asem na so still wo so be ye because how do you can be charged though you're stealing so mo be kaya I think say late last year or earlier this year so mo be kaya armed robbers bi eko attack obroni bi e wotema na armed robbers na attack obroni wi sata no obroni kita se 1 billion no se de yen na armed robbers no sika no na air fly omontumi an so sika ne mu yenti sika ne fly ye e ma na omo around no e be sesa sika no obekaya me be kan ho asem anche endi 1 week impo e na police for kwachi wo mo a wo mo sesa sika ni na ye de omo call court ye de obe call court because e ye kro no enye wo sika Fidelity Bank omo transfer sika no an accident na akosi eye wusika enye wusika o ko faaje den ye be chew akobokro no ye be chew ye be chew ya but this thing obi be ka wo le sika no de ko onfan ko e o de ko he wonfan ko we me anya police person me nya CID ne kra na nka wo de adwuma we kra hye me nsemu a metumi ama ya chi wo bia wo be fa sika ne bi because a simple work adwuma we masa and that's the strategy wo de maka se police fo no wo mo hye police atare na wo mo kokurum ho a ebia na kurumfo ne besuro nti wo mo nka hwe ebia na kurumfo ne besu nti wo hu police ni na wo nka so be hu se we won't na police one number. They should just dress. Oh dear, here say any cry dia they should just get someone at what area mu ho no mo man is ka keke ano because ebia ne pakui wakwa sika ni bi wakwa yi sika ni obi enya bi nti ne ya wo be yi woto obi a wenya sika ni bi ne ya obeba baby say ma sika ni we ka say oh masa okọ na de na wenya me ma wo be yi woto nana wo be yi mother. It is very simple for the police. What true? Yeah, mun try mo adwen comment box no. Bye. Last.